Hi, my name is Tina Andersen. I'm the Head of Sales and Applications Engineering at Hystar. Hystar is a Norwegian manufacturer of PEM electrolyzers. So I just presented here today about Hystar's PEM electrolyzer, and especially so focusing on what they can bring to the Middle Eastern and Northern African markets. Hystar sees the Middle East and Northern Africa as a high growth area. There's such a large, abundant resources of good, cheap renewables here. The prospect of building more of these plants at the same time as building large electrolyzer plants is just enormous. And for Hystar, it's really important now as we ramp up our production as well to be present here at this stage and really show the market and the potential customers of ours that we are ready to jump and to provide them with the number of stacks or megawatts that they would like for their plants. The growth potential in the MENA region, it really comes down to the off-takers being matched with the owners of the assets. So really ensuring that you have an off-taker for your hydrogen and ensuring that you have duly permitting processes, decision-making, and ensuring that the money is put up and the policies are ready to go. I do really think that within the next 3 to 4 years, this is going to be one of the export products from this region, being renewable, without emissions, based on green hydrogen. From Hystar's side, we are obviously in a very large growing phase. And one of the obstacles that we see is that we really need to focus on doing both containerized system at the same time as we're scaling up for large products. So obviously offering two different products built on the same technology for sure, but with different type of end users. So we need to navigate these end users and ensure that they know about us and we get to know what's important to them. So actually just today we have an event in Oslo as well, where some of these end users have been invited to provide their feedback on what Hystar can do to improve on this large-scale hydrogen production. And then we're talking about 100+ megawatt projects. So we are very cautious to ensure that we get all of this feedback from the industry. Hence, it's also so great to be here today in the MENA region, while at the same time doing a similar setup in Scandinavia for Hystar only there, ensuring that we are able to get all this feedback to grow our product offering and continue this optimization to bring more affordable green hydrogen to the global markets. A small message from me to the industry is that to really ensure that you get the efficiency that you ought to see. We see that there's companies, trying to market themselves as super efficient, but really there's other alternatives out there as well. So see this next generation technology, really give it at least an opportunity to present, opportunity to show what the product can be and what large impact this will have on your plants and your plans for the future, because it really is changing, and new companies like Hystar, we are ready to grasp these opportunities and really show that we're not just talk, we're actually doing what we say as well.